What's up, homies? It's your homegirl Natalie, and I am so excited because today I'm going to be doing a styling video with Karina. So I have waited so long to do this video. Karina and I both had this idea of styling each other for such a long time. Since she uploaded everything onto her index app, we were able to do a little stylist situation. So I styled 10 outfits for her and she styled 10 outfits for me. So after you check out my video, go ahead and check out her video to see the outfits that I made for her. Today we're going to put together the outfits that she made for me, and I did film my reaction to them the other day, so I guess let's see that.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Okay, let me go put on the first outfit. Oh my goodness. Wait, it's a little bit too bright. I feel so cool. Yes, these pants are so tight. Yes, this dress is actually really tight in the butt part, so it makes me feel like this isn't like a pretty, short little dress. The fact that I got pants on is like, what yo? But then again, can it bend down? Not too much. I also couldn't zip this up all the way. I love this look. I love the pop of red along with the gold. What I wish is that I felt more comfortable in this, so I could wear it out. These pants right now, girl, these pants. But that's okay, This dress is actually quite thick. I would say there's a lot of fabric that is happening. It's not just one little single layer. So because this dress is quite thick, I wouldn't have thought of pairing it with pants, but it actually looks good. So I think what also really helps the proportions for me are the heels for sure, because if I didn't have them on, oh my god, this looks so cute though. This is so a Karina look, and I love that. I love that. Going into this, I really just wanted her to style me in her Karina way with my clothes. I feel really cool, like a cool ass girl. If you saw a girl wearing this, you'd be like, wow, she got style. And she do. Hey. Let me just okay. Girlfriend, I love this outfit so much. This is such a cute freaking look. Albie, say, come here, Bubby. Yeah. Albie, anja. Thank you. Okay, look, even Albie likes it. Yay, Albie. Yay, Albie, high five. So in love. I am so in love with this outfit. I don't know if she wanted me to style the top tucked in or over, but I typically always have this tucked in, and I always have this little grommets showing. So instead I was like, let's tuck that in. Also in the picture I still had the blue frills, but I took that out for an event. I don't know if I'm gonna put that back on. If it's neutral, I can wear a little bit more. Anyways, it's so good. I absolutely love how these two neutrals just really ground the outfit, because we easily could have just added in more color, which is obviously definitely my style. But I really love the rich brown that is brought into this outfit. This is also really great pairing because these shoes are really, really comfortable. And I've talked about how I want to have more shoes that I can wear out into, my everyday life. These are definitely one of those shoes that I can stay out for the whole day, because the heel isn't really high and the toe box is really wide enough for my foot, but it is brown, so sometimes I feel like I need to wear more darker outfits with it. But adding in this nice deep chocolate jacket on top of that just ties it in. And then of course we have our bag that ties in all the colors together. I really, really, really love this. I think if I had the blue little ruffles, it definitely would have just elevated the outfit more. And I still like the outfit with the boots even without the jacket, which says a lot, because sometimes there's some outfits that you need that jacket, but I think for this it's good on its own. Oh my god. Okay, so Luigi was the one that wanted to style this outfit, and I see it. I see you, Luigi, okay? Because when I think of Luigi style, I think of vintage, retro, brown, different textures and stuff like that, and this is definitely it. I love this. I truly don't think I would have put this outfit together by myself. I wouldn't have done it, especially with all the other little accessories and everything. And even the hairstyle, Karina was the one that suggested wearing it with two side braids. Being styled by people is so much freaking fun. It's so cute. Now, I will say that I think it would be giving this specific kind of look. It's going to be a little bit more cropped, but I am a shawty, okay? A shawty. This is not going to hit me super cropped. It's going to be more like a top top for me, but I'm doing my best with pulling this back to give the illusion that it is a little bit shorter. Overall, I absolutely love this. And honestly, these jeans are a pair of jeans that I kind of do struggle with styling because I want this to be the focal point. So I tend to just pair it with like more just solid colors and keep this as like the main thing. That wearing it like this right now, having the different tones of brown and also even just adding in different patterns, like it really works. So I'm really glad that this is just giving me a whole new different perspective on how to style these jeans. So thank you. This outfit is so cute and obviously very, very much so up my alley. It's definitely something that I would style myself. The hat, she said, is optional, and for right now I am honestly sweating so much that I'm just gonna take them off. Really like the yellow mesh top that's underneath. Maybe because it's like right now and I'm sweating, I would even take off the tights. Obviously love, there's pink and then there's pink in the cardigan as well. We have our cute little multicolor bag. This is just overall, this styling right here is giving very much so Natalie, very much so colorful layers, all of that good stuff. She was talking about how she loves this cardigan. Girl, me too. Me too. This is like one of my top favorite cardigans, top favorite like pieces in my wardrobe. It just like lays so beautifully. The colors are so great. The pattern is really cute. Love all the details on this. Like, and yes, we get to wear my Mikio Sakabe shoes. So excited. Springtime is finally here. So I'm gonna be wearing these babies out. I'm gonna be wearing these babies out. Karina, you did it again, cause I love this look. So Karina was the one who actually thrifted this while I was in California last year. And I was like, oh my God, that's so cute. And she's like, do you want it? I was like, yes. So she gave it to me. So thank you, girl. Outfit right here is a perfect way of wearing it. She really said this is gonna be giving a lot of like teacher, what'd you say? Teacher chic, effortlessly cool teacher chic. And I totally feel that. What I really love with this outfit are the primary colors, right? We have red, blue, and I'm gonna say this is gonna count for like yellow. Even like with the green that's here, it's giving, you give your teacher an apple, like green apple. I don't know, that's how my brain is working right now. Really like the muted browns are with this. I absolutely love this skirt and the fact that there's some orange in here. She tied it in with this orange scarf. I really like that. And then even just the orange and red look perfect. These glasses right on top, so cute. And right here, these kind of three isn't a pairing I would have put together, especially these two. I wouldn't have put this red scrunchie with these earrings, but they work. Also, I would typically wear these earrings for something that's a little bit more dressy, and this to me feels more casual. And in my world, this is more casual for me, but these earrings really work. So it's giving me another new way of wearing these earrings. I don't have to always wear them with like very dressy kind of like looks. This is so freaking cute. And I like it too without the blazer. You know, we have color, we have pattern, but it's dark. So I was really excited to try on this outfit because there was a lot of black, but still pops of colors with some patterns in the mix, right? So we have the polka dot dress with this striped sweater. Then I have my black boots. And you already know I'm wearing my little flower necklace that was made by your girl, Karina. So thank you, girl. This is really cute and something I could easily see myself wearing for like a very casual little meetup with some friends. Again, I think at times I forget that like free will exists, and if I want to, I can wear a color palette that is really dark rather than always wearing something bright. I don't know, just sometimes I feel like I need to always wear bright colors when I know I can just wear dark colors. As someone who likes to surprise people, likes to keep people on their toes, it'll be good to switch it up for myself to wear something that is darker and then brighter and all that stuff, because you don't know what to expect from Natalie. But anyways, this is really cute. This is a perfect spring look. Currently right now I am sweating, but that's because I'm in my apartment outside. It would be really nice. This is totally giving Karina vibes. You already know that Karina would be in some leather showing off them tatas. So she really wanted to style this because she said that she was really surprised that I haven't styled it yet. And yeah, I wouldn't have thought to have paired it with pants, because really made a really great point of telling me to add in these belts and then scooching this up a little bit so it makes the dress even shorter, even more like a little mini. And I think this way it really does work with the pants. And I'm wearing these red boots that I actually really need to fix the bottoms. So I'm on my tippy toes because if I put any pressure, I'm going to be making holes in my floors, which accidentally happened already all over there, so we're not trying to make some more. So I'm literally on my tippy toes, but I love it. This again feels very Karina, but with some Natalie elements, and I'm gonna say the beret is definitely the biggest one. How cute. I really need to wear this dress out more because it makes the girls look so good. You know what I'm saying? The cut is really nice. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall back. The shape and everything I really like. She also did recommend a black tote, which I don't have, but I do have a black backpack, so we're just gonna put this on. Even though I really get how the black tote would really solidify the outfit, but this is what we have, so let's just work with this. Oh my god, I feel like Karina in this look and I love it. Okay, this is a very experimental, but I love it. I love it because I feel like this really makes me go like and really plays to the strength of these culottes, that they are, you know, really wide at the bottom if I spin around. But this is so cute. I haven't worn this out at all. How Karina is styling it under, or she said it could go under or over the mesh dress. The boobies might be a little bit out, but that's fine. I really love the silhouette of this outfit so much. I love how like cinched this looks and then big. At least like in the camera view, this feels even like a little bit exaggerated, and I absolutely love exaggerated silhouettes. I think those are so cool. Overall, I just feel so cool in this outfit, and it's wearing all black, which obviously, you know, I don't really do all that much, but it's still fun because we have these layers, these textures. Also these blue earrings, she really having her time to shine today. Today is her time to shine. But Karina, I love you for showing me that I can wear her in so many different ways. Again, not always just dressy. I would say this is more like a dressy kind of look. I forgot, there's the jacket. All right, here is the completed look. The sparkle in the bag goes with the sparkle in the earrings. I see your vision, girl. And with the sparkle in the top, I see you, girl. What I really love is like this top part to me feels very like feminine. Then we add in this jacket that is like very masculine. So we have all of these different styles kind of coming together, and I really like it. And then of course, adding the touch of sparkles. Boom, boom, boom. The sun is going down and we gotta go. Okay, toes are crustalicious right now. This thing just popped off. 2 buttons popped off, but girl, we gotta pop off and go too. Okay, this outfit is making me feel like 60s flight attendant, but in the best way. We already know pink and green, great color combination. And for this one, Karina was saying that she just really wanted to style the polka dot pants with the scarf. And she was thinking about my extra long pony, which would have felt definitely even more 60s. But right now, I cannot be doing all of that because time is on her side. The sun is going down. But just imagine my long pony. I love how this green is like right in your face, and the black and the polka dots go with the shoes. She also did pair this with a tote bag, which I don't have, so we're gonna go back with this bag. Just envision it, people, just envision it. I'll just put like a tote bag here, like ding, and I'm gonna have to just hold my hair like this so you can see. I really like this top that it hits me a little bit below my actual hips, but paired with something like these pants, it really just elongates my body. And as a shorty, I personally really like feeling a little bit taller, so this kind of silhouette really helps, you know, elongate those legs. Also on top of that, because I'm wearing strappy heels, that definitely helps. Yay! Okay, now we're on to our last one. And our final one. So she was talking about how she really likes the boho chic kind of look. So this is what she put together. I'm feeling like a little cupcake. You already know I don't really wear these out all that much, but I really like them. And I like that she did pair them with this top because I think both of the pinks really match really well. And then we have a cream and then the cream earrings. I did really have to put my hair up, but I didn't get to do like my big pony. It was just like this. But anyways, these are definitely one of the coolest pair of earrings that I've made, and they've also held up so well over so much time. Right now it's not buttoned up, but I think it would definitely help if it was a little bit more cinched, so it give more of that like cupcake feel that I think would look really cute. So this was our final little look. And the thing is, like, this top, because it's like long sleeve and the fabric that it is, really can be like not super breathable, but the fact that she paired it with just like not even tights, just like these platforms, and all of this is like free, I think this is something I could still definitely wear for springtime. Oh my god, girly, this is our final outfit. We did it. Karina, girl, we finally did it. We finally did this video that we were talking about for like so long, and I really hope y'all at home or on the bus or at work or at school or at a doctor's office has really enjoyed it. I had so much fun. Having people style you is so much fun. This was not only super eye-opening, I'm just really happy I was able to do this video with my friend. And I really hope, Karina, that you love the outfits as much as I loved your outfits. And once again, make sure to check her video to see the outfits that I styled for her. I kind of went a little bit ham on that, but that is just me, you already know. And anyways, I will catch you guys in the next one. I hope this video finds you safe. Hope you're doing super well. And that is all. Bye!